It is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. These are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. So, guys, quickly, let's go straight into what we are right here. Okay. So, these are the we will be starting with GainX 1200. So this is the next 1200. We've been on we are on 15-minute time frame using pre-entry and Meoka trading indicator to do my analysis right here. Okay. Earlier today, I told us that this has actually retested the resistance zone 3 times and it's going to sell. And you can see it selling and achieving all the TPs. Okay. So after that, it has gone into the support zone. Okay. So since it's unable to break out from the support zone, so it switched back into an uptrend. We had an entry point at this point, and we had some TPs highlighted for us, and you can see it has achieved all the TPs. Okay, that's so amazing. It's achieved all the TPs. So this is so beautiful. This is so unique, and this is why you need to understand the trend trading strategies. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment. If it, I mean, it is still buying at the moment. If it breaks out from here, then we expect it to get back to the resistance zone again before we can say if it's going to sell or buy or after breaking out from the resistance zone. Okay, it's going to buy if it breaks out from this resistance zone. Okay, but if it does not, it's going to sell. So we should take note of that. So for now, it is still buying until it is unable to break out from the resistance zone, and that is when it's going to sell. Okay, so this is very, very important. So let's take note of that. So guys, let's check out the next asset, which is going to be GainX 999. This is GainX 999, and this has been on uptrend for a very long time. However, it has gotten to this resistance zone. So we don't know if it's going to break out from there. If it breaks out from there, then it's going to buy more. If it does not, then it's going to sell. Okay, I am actually expecting it to sell. So I'm waiting for it to switch fully into a downtrend so that we can say that it's going to sell at that particular point. However, that is if it does not break out from this resistance zone. Okay, so if it's going to sell, then definitely we can have this TPs highlighted for us. Okay, so let's take note of the TP so that we can also take advantage of the market whenever this is selling. Okay, so I'm going to put my final TP somewhere here. Okay, so we guys can take note of that. Okay, so that is if it's sells, then it's going to pick up this, but if it does not, then it will keep on buying and break out above the resistance zone. So it is still buying at the moment, even though I am expecting it to sell if it's unable to break out from the resistance zone. Okay, now the next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Let's check it out together. This is Paynex 1200. This actually came down till it got to this region, and I gave us this update. And of course, this is the stop loss because it's unable to break out from the support zone, and of course we had our entry point and it bought till it got to this region. Okay, and of course guys, right now it is at the resistance zone. Okay, it is at the resistance zone. Let's see if it's going to break out from there. If it does not, then we should expect it to sell right from there. However, we will have to wait for the right signal before we can say it's going to sell. But for now, it is at the resistance zone. Okay, so let's see guys, if it's going to buy, then we should expect it. I mean, if it's going to sell, we should expect it to achieve all these TPs, guys, all these TPs. Okay, and um this is going to be the final TP. this one, okay, down here. Okay, so we should wait for that. Okay, so if it's going to sell, it should give us a downtrend signal and a sell signal before it's going to sell, and it should activate our entry point at this spot and also achieve all our TPs. However, this is still buying. Okay, if it breaks out above the resistance zone, it's going to buy more. Okay, so let's take note of that. Okay, so I'm going to put the sell in a bracket just for us to know that we are expecting it to sell. Okay, this is Paynex 999. Paynex 999 had actually got into the support zone, and of course, it has not been able to break out from there, so it's buying at the moment. Okay, so we should take note of that and use that as an opportunity to make the market also. Okay, so this should be the entry point, and of course, let's highlight some TPs for ourselves. Okay, um, okay, this is cool, cool, okay, and cool. So these are the TPs we are checking out. Okay, but this I still expect it to come down before it goes on uptrend fully, but it can buy a little before it's going to do that. Okay, so we expect more of a buying opportunity right from there. Okay, now the next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. It had been on uptrend for a very long time. We got this signal yesterday, and of course went up and up, even up today. Okay, so this is so unique. So this is still buying at the moment, even though it is at the resistance zone already, but it is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So, guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.